Yo, what's up guys? So if it seems like I'm out of breath, it's because I am. I just found out my crank is done. If you don't know, I'm building a motor for this thing. So it's over here in a million pieces. Literally sending, turbo pit bike. I'm sending my wheels and tires over to Big O right now to get mounted. I got Blackbird and Tributes. And we're gonna try to make it to Glamis President's Weekend. Let's get it. All right, so thank God I was able to pick up this crank in time. Now it's time to reassemble this engine. This isn't gonna be a how-to. We're just gonna time lapse this and hopefully we make it in time. Let's get it. I've already started doing the heat cycles, but apparently I've gone 119 miles an hour in this thing. Pretty crazy, but let's see how she sounds. We made it, guys, we made it. We're going to Glamis. Let's get it. All right, guys, as you can see, we made it. Now it's time to go break this bad boy in. Let's get it. right, guys, and that's gonna be it for this one. We had an amazing weekend, Glamis Presidents Weekend 2021. We want to give everybody a huge shout out who helped us get here, Evolution Power Sports and Brian Crower. Couldn't have done it without you guys, and everything was installed at our shop, R Squared in Sedona, Arizona. So if you guys need any work done, hit your boy up. We'll get you set up. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.